Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on a washing machine. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to change the temperature, and this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is a washing machine, and essentially there's going to be a temperature control on the washing machine. Okay, so we're going to look over here. Here's sort of the head of the washing machine. Here's the drum. This is a top loading washing machine, but even if yours is a front loader, it's going to be a very, very similar process. Now, this is this type of washing machine. Okay, you can see right here. You might have a different brand, you might have a different model, whatever the case is, but changing the temperature is probably going to be very, very, very similar. Okay, so essentially, as you can see right here, I'm going to look for something, either a knob or a button, that tells me that we are looking at the water temperature of the washer unit, of the washing machine unit. Okay, and as you can see over here, there's a button that says temperature right over here. Okay, so I'm going to press that button, and as you can see, it cycles through the various options. We have hot, tap cold, cold, cool, warm, and hot again. And it just goes through all of those options. And whichever one I stop at is going to be the one that I select. So let's say I want it to go right there, warm. I would stop there, and it disappears. And we now have warm temperature selected. It's literally that simple. Now, on your washer, you might have a knob instead. You're going to look for a knob that says what temperature the water is going to be at the sort of washing machine, at the washing machine output. So it can be, once again, they might sound different, but essentially you're going to have different options ranging from like the coldest setting to the warmest setting and anything in between. And you can use that knob potentially to select whatever temperature you want. So it's either going to be a button or a knob. I mean, there's probably other things that exist, but for the most part, most washing machines are going to allow you to adjust the temperature by a button or a knob, and you can just press the button or turn the knob to select the specific temperature that you want to use. And that is basically it. It's literally that simple. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.